So one of the great features about this camera is the ability to go from standard definition, high definition, and even ultra high definition. It will set off an alarm noise on this just to alert any intruders or burglars or anything that happen to be in your space. Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we're going to be looking at 4G Minicam. Let's open the box and have a look. First thing that's in there is the camera itself. So there's a dual lens on the front. At the bottom you'll see it's the clip for the base, and on the back we've got a slot for our SD card, our SIM card, our USB, our charging port, on-off switch, the switch to make it 4G, and reset button. We also have our unique QR code on the back, which we'll need later on when we're connecting it to our app. In the box we also have a mounting base which you can just slide on. We've got metal plates that's magnetic, so you can stick the plate somewhere and then just attach the base with ease. A couple of sticky pads, screw for the base, and our USB-C charging cable. Now we've unboxed, we're gonna show you how to connect up the camera to the app. Firstly, we're going to download and open up our Ocam Pro app. So open that, and what I like to do is just press add.
On the device, scan the QR code on the
press 4G camera. We can use the QR code or press 4G camera.
The SIM card into the device and click next.
Now I'll press next.
Turn on the power switch of the device. Press and hold the reset button on the device for about.
Point the QR code on your phone at the device lens and keep it 15-30 centimeters away until the device makes a beep sound or the indicator light stays on.
So sometimes we just need to reset the camera during this process until we've got a nice flashing light at the back, and then just scan the QR code. This can take around a sort of a minute or so. So there we go. We hear that little beep, and then the chime means they're now connected. Give them a minute or so. The sync is completed. They'll ask you to name your camera, so you can either up here give it a personalized name or just select one from the list. So we'll just go Office, Get Started, and Get Started again. Now on our home screen we can select the camera. Here, as you can see, camera's working, we're live watching. Now on here you'll see there's lots of different buttons. The intercom here will allow us to have a two-way conversation with whoever's on the other side of the camera. It only works when you're pressing the intercom button, because the camera's got an inbuilt mic and speaker. You can see here it's set to motion detect, and that I actually just got a notification there. This means that when we set the camera to motion detect, we can leave it in a room in our office and it will only start recording when someone walks in front of it. That will then send us a notification on our phone to say the camera's detected something, it's woken up, it's recording. So you can either then log onto your app, watch it live, or just know that someone's there and is working and go back and watch it later on the SD card. We've also got a few other things here. We got siren, which we press that, it will set off an alarm noise on this just to alert any intruders or burglars or anything like that that happen to be in your space. Another thing we can do is open the app, screenshot and take photos of what's happening in front of the camera. We can record directly to the phone. What we'll need to do is make sure we open the app, press record, and keep the app open and watching whilst we're recording, because as soon as we close the app, it'll stop recording. You can remote shut down the camera. So if you think, if you see that the battery's running low, you can turn it off, especially if you don't need it on. Night vision here, we can select that, but if we just leave it, when it gets dark enough in the room that the camera's in, it will automatically turn to night vision and then automatically turn back to day vision when the lights get back on. Another thing we've got here is flip upside down. This means that if we mount the camera on the ceiling, high up, point it down, we can flip the video so it's actually the right way up again. So one of the great features about this camera is the ability to go from standard definition, high definition, and even ultra high definition. At the moment we've got the camera set to ultra high definition, and it also has the ability to do night vision, so you can set it automatically or you can do it manually. We tend to just recommend leave it on automatic, and when all the lights go down, it turns to nighttime, it's dark, the camera will automatically switch to night vision and you'll get a nice clear black and white image, and then when all the lights turn back on, you'll actually get a nice color image again. So what we'll see here is I'm actually gonna record this next part on the camera. So here we are. So this section I'm actually speaking to through the camera. This should give you a nice clear picture and image of the quality that the camera has. We'll turn all the lights off in a second, so you should be able to see what it looks like in night vision as well. So now we should actually be in night vision. At the moment I can't see you, but you should actually still be able to see me quite clearly. Yep, so we'll switch all the lights back on now, and it'll show you switching from black and white to color again. So for this next section, we've already showed you the daytime, nighttime vision. What we'll do, we're going to take this outside and we're going to show you the zoom capabilities of the dual lens.
And this is the quality of the camera outside.
If you have any other questions with regards to our 4G capable minicam, feel free to get in touch with our great customer service team. Thank you.